Pilipinas. Kayo po ngayon ay nanonood ngayon sa Buhay TV. At mayroon tayong isang eksklusibong balita na ating tatalakayin.
Sa Pilipinas, ang usapin ng mental health ay patuloy na pinag-uusapan.
Sa ating pagsisikap ng bigyang pansin ng mahalagang isyu tungkol sa mental health, tayo ay magtatampok ng isang pagsusuri sa kalagayan nito sa ating bansa.
At naririto ngayon si Jasmine Abugatal upang humingi ng mga panayam.
Maraming salamat Ladyon at Elcarte. So ngayong gabi ay nandito kami sa Wellness Park at kasama ko si Marbon. At ang tanong, how mental health affects your daily life?
So I think it affects of how we think, we feel, and we act. It also help determine the how we handle stress and relate to others, and make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood or adult scene through adulthood.
Okay, thank you
Thank you.
Marbon.
Maraming salamat.
At naririto din si Christian Miguel Valdez upang magbigay ng panayam.
So, ngayong gabi, nandito po kami sa Bye Bye Triumph Pool sa City. And I'm with...
Hi, I am Prince Julian D. Baitan and I am from Ozami City National High School from grade 9 Galilei.
So, this question is for you. Why do we need to take care of our mental health?
Why do we need to take care of our mental health? Our mental health is a very essential and plays a big role to us. So, first of all, mental health plays a role of overall well-being. If we are well and in overall, so we have the quality of life. We can when we have the quality of life, but when we neglect our mental health, it can impact various aspects of our life, including relationships, work, and physical health, especially in school, and also when it comes to emotional resilience. So if we are resilient, so good mental health helps us cope up with the ups and downs. So as students, we also experience ups and downs in our school, from high expectations of our teachers, from pressures, and it allows us to bounce back from setbacks, stress, and adversity more easily when we have the emotional resilience. And third, physical health. So of course, mental health and physical health are interconnected with the mental health. And when we have the poor mental health, can contribute to physical health problems such as weakened immune system, cardiovascular issues, and chronic conditions. And lastly, productivity and performance. Of course, when we are stable, when our mental health is stable, we are working productive, we perform productive. When it comes to activities in school, our mind is very working on it, is very working, and it's more focused. And yes, we are creative. The creativity in us, in our side, really shows up. So it enable us to perform well at work, school, and other activities. And also healthy relationships. Mental health influences our ability to form and maintain healthy relationships. Good mental health fosters empathy, communication, and positive connections with others. And lastly, prevention of mental illness. Taking care of our mental health can reduce the risk of developing mental illness, such as depression, anxiety disorders. Of course, depressions and stress is very rampant to our students because we are undergoing such as pressures to our activities in school, to our tasks that needs to be done. So we really need to have a stable mental health.
Maraming salamat.
Upang magkaroon pa tayo ng sapat na impormasyon tungkol sa mental health, naririto din si Angelique Antiga.
So ngayong gabi, nandito pa rin kami sa Bye Bye Triumph. Ano nga po pangalan niyo, ate?
I am Ner.
Unang tanong, in what way that we can take care of our mental health?
There are many ways that we can take care of our mental health, especially that I am an employee right now. So the things that I do whenever I feel pressured, stressed, I do is to take a break, coffee breaks, or just take a pause whenever I do something a lot of things that I need to do, and I just take a pause for a minute or for an hour just so that I can breathe or I can relax. And of course, there are also other ways like taking a leave or going to a trip like beach or going to your family, just talking to them, and also going to your friends or going to coffee shops like that. And of course, there are also like sleeping. When you need to rest, you need to rest your body as well. So that's
Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa aming balita.
Kami po ay nagagalak magbigay ng impormasyong tapat.
Di kalidad at maaasahan.
Ako po si Jihay Derajon.
At ako naman si Julia Alcarte. At hanggang sa muling pagkikita natin dito sa Buhay TV.